So good day guys, today we're gonna make some with the float, I don't know what to call it, but the float anyway. We're gonna use this, I don't know what to call it, so we're gonna just stick it through here, and then we're gonna make a loop like this, so like this, so yeah. This, you see, right? And then we're gonna do circles. 1, 2, so 3, 4 is enough. 4 is enough, and then we're gonna put it through the hole, hold it here, hold it nice and neat, and then we're gonna just do like this. And this how it looks. You see, it's absolutely beautiful, Amke style. And then we're gonna leave it about a half a minute length, and then we're gonna use the hook. You see, this is a small hook, by the way, and then we're gonna, put it through the hole, like that's the way, and then we're gonna do the same thing, just to make a nice like this thing, circle, and around 1, 2, 2, so 3, and then so 4. Here we go, 4. And then so put it through the hole. You see, put it through this hole that you made. Hold it here and then just pull this one. That's it. Just 1 second. That should be it. Yeah, and then look at it, that's beautiful. So now I'm just gonna hook this on the line, and there you have, and then put the float up the top, Put 2 sinkers, 2 small sinkers here. You see, I'll show you. These sinkers, put it here somewhere, 2 of them, because it's set to go on the ground, in the water, and the float sits on top like this, And then, so this is the way I did it, like that, the way, So put in the water and with the sinker, not too much sinker, just a little bit, and then float at the top, as I say. See you later, guys.